Hello again and welcome back to another AC tutorial. Do you want to know exactly where your leads are coming from and which campaigns are driving the most conversions? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ActiveCampaign's conversion feature with UTM tracking to measure results and optimize your marketing efforts. By the end of this video, we will know how to set up conversions, track UTM parameters, and automate follow-ups for better engagements. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. The first thing that we're gonna do is to set up a conversion in ActiveCampaign. This allows you to track important customer actions like purchases, sign-ups, or demo requests. To do that, you can go on the left-hand side menu, click into Settings, then Conversions, then click on Add a new conversion. For the purpose of this video, we're gonna base our conversion on our URL has been visited. So click into the URL. In here, you can add any page you wanna track as a touch point. So for example, the post-sale page that you show to a client after they purchase a service or an item from your store, or your UTM parameters. Once you click Save, we are making sure that we are tracking all the touch points that this client goes through on your customer journey. You can use conversions and take advantage of that, so you'll be able to know exactly how your customer journey is working and how effective your touch points are to the overall success of your business. To see which campaigns are driving the most conversions, or which mediums in our marketing efforts are being the most effective, it is important for us to set up our UTM parameter in our marketing links. You can see in the example that a UTM parameter is divided into 4 elements. The first one, the UTM source, it refers to the traffic source. For example, Facebook, Google, email, and so on. The second one, the UTM medium, it refers to the marketing channel that you're driving traffic to. For example, paid ads, organic social posts, and so on. The third parameter, the UTM campaigns, it refers to the specific campaign name that you're driving traffic to. For example, summer sale, Black Friday, and so on. The fourth one, the UTM content, it refers to what kind of creative you're using in this campaign. Is it a carousel? Is it a single image? Is it a video? We will now create an automation that tracks the UTMs and sends a follow-up campaign if the user does not convert. And then you're gonna select the trigger, web page visited. Now you're gonna add the UTM parameter to the trigger and click into Save. Then we're gonna set up a 3-day waiting step and then send the follow-up email, perhaps with a discount code. Then we're gonna give them 2 days to convert from this first email and then send another final follow-up, perhaps with some urgency or further discounts. At the very bottom of this automation, we're gonna add a goal step. In the conditions for this goal, we're gonna select the conversion and if the conversion has occurred. So, if the contact converts at early stage, they're gonna skip the sequence of follow-up emails. If they convert from the first email, they're not gonna receive the second one. And if they don't convert at all, that's not gonna impact on their journey. In this way, we remarket users based on their traffic source and keep them engaged. Once everything is set up, you can go into the reporting section and check your conversions report. And that's how you track and automate conversions in ActiveCampaign using UTM parameters to make sure that you're making smarter decisions regarding your customer journey and your marketing efforts. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.